In this video, we're going to make some stamps out of potatoes. For this project, you're going to need a cutting board, a potato, a knife, and a craft knife, as well as a pen or pencil. You also need an adult to help you cut the potato. Now I've got this nice old potato and I'm going to cut it into pieces and make several different stamps using it. I'm going to take one piece and taking a watercolour pencil, I'm drawing a pattern onto it. This is going to be my stamp. Now I've decided to do a leaf, so I'm just tracing out a picture of a leaf. Now these knives are very sharp, so you probably want to get an adult to help you and to cut out the shapes for you. You can draw them, but then get somebody bigger to help you out with the cutting. I've cut out the outside of the leaf. And now what I need to do is to mark the inside lines. And for this I get a different tool. You could use a pencil for this as well. Then add some paint, and my stamp is ready to go. Look at all my lovely leaves. I decided to do some other shapes as well. So here I'm drawing out a shape. I think it's going to be a pear. It could also be a lemon, but I think a pear is what this is going to be. So I draw it, and then I just need to cut it out or ask somebody to cut it out for me. It helps if you tape down your paper so it can't move. For this, I'm just getting some acrylic paint in different colours. I take my potato with the shape cut in and just place it into the paint. Really easy. And then press it onto the paper, like this. You can also do smaller, simple shapes, just a circle or an oval like this. You can make some really pretty patterns. Just experiment with different colours. Simple shapes work really well, like these triangles, and they're quite easy to cut out as well. Have a different play and experiment with different shapes. So there you have it, that's how you make your very own potato stamps. Have fun!